In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove repeater on Wix. If you've ever duplicated content across your page using a repeater and decided you no longer need it, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to take it out cleanly and confidently without disrupting the rest of your design. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor and looking at the page that contains the repeater you want to remove. A repeater is the element that displays a set of items in a uniform layout, often used for lists like team members, products, or testimonials. When you remove it, you're removing the entire repeating structure from that page. Start by selecting the repeater on your canvas. Move your mouse over the section until the entire repeating group is highlighted, not just a single item inside it. You should see the selection frame and the label indicating that the container is a repeater. If your click lands on a text box or an image within the repeater, click again on the edge of the group or use the breadcrumb at the top of the selection box to move up to the repeater level. This ensures you're targeting the whole component and not just one piece of content inside it. With the repeater selected, open the context menu by right-clicking. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. You'll see options related to the selected element. Confirm that the menu reflects actions for a repeater, which is a good double check that you've selected the right thing. Now click Delete in the menu. This removes the entire repeater from your page in one step. If a confirmation appears, go ahead and confirm. Keep in mind, deleting a repeater removes its layout and content from the page. But if that repeater was connected to a dataset, it doesn't erase the data in your collection. It only removes the visual component from this page. After deletion, take a moment to look over the surrounding sections. The layout may shift slightly as space closes up, so glance at spacing above and below where the repeater used to be. If something looks off, you can nudge adjacent sections or adjust margins to keep the design balanced, and if you change your mind, you can undo right away to bring the repeater back. When everything looks good, remember to save your changes and preview the page to make sure it reads well on both desktop and mobile views. That's all it takes to remove a repeater in Wix. Quick, precise, and tidy.